In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email on Zoho. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can easily link an additional email address to your Zoho account. This is useful if you're managing multiple email addresses or if you simply want a backup or alternative contact email in your profile. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho account and that you're on any main Zoho page, such as your dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. From that menu, select the option labeled My Account. This will open your Zoho account management page in a new tab or window, where you can control your personal details, security settings, and email addresses linked to your profile. On the My Account page, look for the section related to your profile or personal information. Within that area, you'll see an option called Email Address. Click on Email Address to open the page where all of your registered emails are listed. Next, you'll see any email addresses that are already associated with your Zoho account. On this same page, there will be a button that says Add Email Address. Click on Add Email Address to start linking a new one. A small field or box will appear, asking you to enter the new email. Carefully type in the email address you want to add. Take a moment to double check that there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. It's important that this email is valid and that you have access to its inbox, because Zoho may send a verification link to confirm it belongs to you. Once you've typed the email correctly and you're sure it's the right one, look for the Add button, usually located just below or beside the text field. Click on Add to submit your new email address to Zoho. At this point, Zoho may send a confirmation email to the address you just added. Make sure to open that message and follow any verification link inside. After verifying, your new email will be fully linked to your Zoho account and ready to use.